Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix iTunes not opening or working on your Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. Make sure you're running the latest version of the operating system that you are using. And once you're up to date, click on Apps on the left pane. Click on Installed Apps. Then here, simply search for iTunes. Click on the three dots, select Advanced Options. Scroll down and you'll find the Reset with the Repair button. Click on the Repair button. Then click on the Reset button and the Reset button once again. Now after you have done this, check if the problem has been fixed. Then in the Windows search bar, type Store. Click on Microsoft Store under the Best Match. Now here in the Microsoft Store, simply click on Download. So we are going to update the iTunes here in the Microsoft Store. So simply click on Get for Updates. And this will update all the applications installed here in the Microsoft Store, including the iTunes. So once this is updated, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash check health. Hit enter. Next command, dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash scan health. Hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so let's just wait for this until the process has been completed so that we can enter the last command. So let's just wait for this. Let's be patient and waiting for this. Now for the last command, dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health, hit enter. Now this process will also take some time. So it will start from 1% and it will goes up to 100%. So once this is done, again, you need to wait for this process to be completed. So in our case, we're not just going to wait for this, but in your case, you have to wait until it is fully completed. Do not close the window unless it goes up to 100%. And once this is completed, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.